Hi friends, welcome to the School of Rockstars. Today we are going to learn amazing tip for YouTube because we for you want for your videos you want to get more views. For that you need to have amazing thumbnail because that's the first thing the user or the audience that they see of your video. So that's why you need to create engaging YouTube thumbnail. So for that we'll do more of a Photoshop editing and more of that, right? So sometimes we struggle with Photoshop, and that too for how we struggle to remove background from images. So today I'm gonna give a simple tip and easy life-saving tip for you, because if you use this website you can remove a background from an image within 5 seconds. So let's check it out. So the website is this one, remove.bg. So you can remove within 5 seconds with just one click. So if you select a picture, let's check it out. So let's say I'm selecting this picture. So if you see, so it got cropped, like a background got removed perfectly, right? And there is an, if you want you can download this image. So if you download it you will get it something like this. So wait, you will get it something like this. So you can use this image without any background for your creating your amazing thumbnails. And there is an edit option where you can change the background color of this picture. So you can change the color right away here. So you can, if you add this black background, see how amazing this picture is. And you can write the text over here. So you can use this. So if you can change different background colors and all. So, and let's see, let's check it out. Let's select this color and wait, let's select this and background color, done, save. If you save this we will see a new picture with a background that we selected. So this is an amazing. If you want you can it is erasing the picture. So restore, forbidden, undo. If you we used eraser tool, right? So we used eraser tool. So if you want to undo it, just undo it and you'll see the original picture of it. This is an amazing tip I got for you guys. And if you see here, it got, the background got removed. If you see here, the background got removed perfectly, and you can change the color. And if you want you can change the background as well. You have here there is an option for you to select photos from Unsplash. So without, you can get without a what, copyright, you can use these pictures. So see, within just 2 seconds, within just 5 seconds, you are able to create amazing pictures. So if you want to select any color, it's the perfect place, perfect thing. So thank you guys, thank you. If you want any other tips, please comment below. I will make sure and I will give you a solution for it. Thank you guys, thank you.